Take a ride in the 2006 Ram Pickup 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, power mirrors, fog lights, intermittent wipers, Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, dual airbags, adjustable headrests, power driver's seat, auto express down window, beverage holders. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.